Do it again. No, go ahead.
I want to see.
I'm doing a video. Here, Daddy's going to go.
Okay, ready?
Ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go.
You're being a snow monster? You're being a snow monster?
Ariel, are you having fun?
I'm doing snow monster.
You're being a snow monster?
Again.
You do it again?
I'm doing it again. Again.
This is the big blizzard of January or February 5th and 6th, 2010.
Like I do.
You gonna do it?
Your turn again?
And now it's your turn and Mommy's turn.
No, Mommy's not going.
Daddy, go.
You go.
No, you go. Look, I won.
I saw. Ariel, do you want to do it one more time?
Daddy's all done.
Ariel, one more because it's getting cold out.
Okay, one more time.
All right, this is the last one, then we got to walk back.
I want to see.
I'm doing video. I'll show you later on the computer.
Oh man. I think we just kids.
Again.
If it was not for her, I would never have jumped in the snow.
What?
Yeah, right. You probably would have.
All right, Ariel, we're going to walk back.
Not yet, one more time.
Well, when the cloud comes through, we don't have any idea where they're going to put the cloud.
We're walking.
Come on, we got to head back, Ariel. It's cold. David, she won't stop.
Way to go.
Here, go get Daddy.
I got you.
Uh-oh, Rita got you.
Oh!
Oh,
Don't,
no, did I make her fall?
No.